Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. I just wanted to do a quick video and go through what you need to work on for this week. Now, accounting moves pretty fast and it's a lot of new information, so you may want to use a Quizlet, Kahoots, whatever you need to do to get your debits and your credits straight in your head. I do have a video that helps with the debits and credits. It's just a lot of new stuff and it can be overwhelming. So just take it one step at a time. I recommend you working on it daily. You could even make flashcards if you need to. Okay, so let me get back to y'all's course. Okay, accounting 1. So what you're going to do is you're going to look in. Mainly, your announcement will be on the home page, so if you need to check that, but also remember you have a course calendar. You can print that off and use that if you would rather just go by the course calendar. If there's any discrepancies with the course calendar and the assignment due dates, please message me and let me know. Okay, so going to what's due for this week. Chapter 1 was last week, so this week is focusing on Chapter 2. And so you have the lecture, and you have a video quiz. You're going to click on that. It's going to tell you what to do. You have a memory tool to help you learn the normal balances of accounts, debits, and credits. Really pay attention to that. That's going to help you tremendously in this class. Then you have a video about what to expect in each account. You have some notes about the 3 parts of an account, and then there is an adaptive study plan, your Cengage homework, and then you have a guided practice. This is like when you sit in class and I work a problem and you're working it with me. So you can, let me show you real quick what you can do. So as you're watching this, it has the notes that you're gonna either work it on paper or you're gonna do it in Excel. So there's a video right here. So this would be like me working in class. So if you have a question, instead of raising your hand, you're just going to add a comment if there's something that you have a question about. If you need more help with debits and credits, here is the video that goes through the whole assignment, and you can ask questions down there as well. So everything for this week is in Module 2. The week after this week, week 3, you will have a test. And there, if you want to go ahead and start reviewing for that, I have a module right below Chapter 2 where you can review for your test. And it's kind of, the internet's being a little bit funny. Okay, so here is the Kahoot debit and credits to help you with that. And then you have a Kahoot review for Test 1, Chapter 1 review, and a Chapter 2 review. Let me know if you have any questions. Remember, my contact information is on the home page. If you email me, it comes directly to my phone. If you Canvas message me, it comes directly to my phone. And if you text me through Google Voice, that also comes to my phone. So I will be checking that frequently during the day. So just let me know if you have any questions. And I hope you all have a great week.